Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to translate bunch of strings in one go using the iOS 18 translation API. So again, like I mentioned, this is iOS 18 only and above, and this can only be used with Swift UI, unfortunately. Like later on I will tell you how you can embed your Swift UI app inside a UIKit application as well. But let's get started. So here you can see I have some text. I think this is in German language, I'm not really sure. And if I click on translate, here you can see it has translated all the text to English language, because that's what I told it to do. Now if you are doing any user is doing the translation for the very first time, so suppose I don't speak German, right, but I want to translate some text from German to English, it will need to download that machine learning model. One time the user needs to download that. The pop-up will be shown to the user. I will show you that in a bit as well. And all the downloaded languages are inside the settings. You will have to go to apps, then you will have to go to the translate app. So I'll just scroll down. Here is the translate app, downloaded language, and here you can see I have downloaded English, German as well as Hindi. Suppose if I just change the language preference, let me check where exactly it is. So here you can see I'm translating from German to English, but as you can see I haven't downloaded the English UK one, so I'll just change it to that. I think this is the language code for English UK, and I'll run it, and hopefully it should be able to translate it for me. So given that I don't have that machine learning model, it will prompt me to download that machine learning model for that as well. So here if I click on translate, here you can see it is telling me to download it. It is one time thing only, I won't download it, but hopefully you got the point. So coming back to our application, so here firstly I have created this view model. So here inside that I have marked it as observable. Is translation supported, just to check whether the user is using iOS 18 or not. And these are the food items which I want to translate in one go. If the user clicks on reset, then they are again moved back to the original language. Okay, as you can see over here. Then here I have created one method for view model, so translate all at once. Again I have just copy pasted this code from the documentation. Here we pass all our food items and just convert it, and yeah, that's it. Just do that as well. And if you go to our main this particular app, then here I am initializing our view model and I am passing it as an environment. But if you want, you can initialize the view model inside our Swift UI view as well, so it's up to you. So here inside our content view, I am creating first state for this translation session configuration, and here we are getting our view model with the help of environment object. Then here we are creating a VStack, and I am looping over all the food items and displaying a text for each one of them. And I have two buttons as well. And here we have to add this translation task, and here as you can see I'm calling this method translate all at once, and on appear I'm just resetting everything. And here you can see I'm triggering the translation. So here you can pass whatever language you want to translate from. So I'm passing German to English. So I'll just move back to English. So yeah, and in case if it is not nil, then we are just invalidating it. Yeah, that's it. Now some like I have done it for UIKit as well, but I'm just embedding that particular view inside UIKit. Like firstly what I have done, this is a UIKit application, okay, and here this code is the same what I have done. Here I am initializing our view model because I can't use environment variable directly, so I have done that. The rest of the code is same which I have just shown you. The view model code is also same which I have shown you. And here inside view controller, previously I was taking two labels. I was trying to do everything inside our view controller just to check it's possible or not. It is possible. So here you can see all the code which I have commented it out. Again, ignore this code for now and you can use this code, but I'm not doing this way because it is very difficult to maintain state. Sooner or later you will run into issues. Given that this translation API is not UIKit, at least for now it's better to stick with Swift UI. That's my suggestion. So that's why I have just initialized our Swift UI view, and here with the help of UI hosting controller I am displaying our Swift UI view inside our UIKit or inside our view controller. So yeah, that's what I have done. This is the written inside view did load. But yeah, if you want to play around you can do that. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.